Hello everyone. We are the team Cloud Crafters, and today I would be presenting you our idea and our solution approach. So we have chosen the topic improve resilience, and our application is Deep Insights. So what's Deep Insights? The goal of our project is basically to improve the service resilience by reducing the MTTR. That's the mean time to repair the service by providing a solution prediction for the incidents, production incidents that are raised. So currently, whenever an incident or an alert arises in production systems, the firefighters, they need to have a very good knowledge on the application, and also they need to search the existing knowledge base and find similar issues if they have occurred in the past in order to understand the issue and arrive at a resolution. So this would considerable take considerable amount of time for the firefighter, as he has to consolidate the information from multiple resources, multiple systems or the resources. And also the alerts that are raised, they could be false alerts or real alerts. So even in order to segregate that, firefighter would take some considerable amount of time. So we want to reduce that time, and we propose using the machine learning model, which would use the real-time historical incident data or the system logs, traces, metrics to detect the solution and provide a deeper insights into the issue resolution. So currently we have built this machine learning model in Python to train the data and to predict the solution. We have used a Python model, but our next step would be to use a large language model like ChatGPT. So we have already submitted our solution, our use case to the ChatGPT team, and it is currently under review. So this is the UVP of our application. So it would basically achieve a faster time to resolution by providing the insights to the issue, and it would help in proactively predict resolution management, and it would also reduce the noise by separating the abnormal alerts with false noise alerts. So our idea can be initially adopted to application service management team of wholesale credit decision service line. And basically currently in the market there are existing alternatives like ServiceNow predictive intelligence, but it is expensive. So we thought of implementing something in-house which could do the same task for us, so that it would reduce a significant cost for the bank, and also achieve faster results at the same time. And here we have the high level design for our project. As you can see, all the blue components are the new components that we have built or going to build, and the gray ones are already existing components. So the first component that we have is the Deep Insights UI. Here, the firefighter would log into the Deep Insights UI, where he will provide the incident number and fetch the details of the incident from the ServiceNow, and the details would be displayed here. And he would also see an option to predict the possible resolution, and once he clicks on predict, the possible prediction would be displayed on the UI here. So the next component that we have here is the aggregator. Aggregator is nothing but it acts as an orchestration between all the components we have, the UI model and the notification service. So aggregator would also interact with the interfaces like Splunk, AppD, and ServiceNow to consolidate the data uh, to So this is how the Deep Insights UI looks. As you can see, we have a ticket ID, group name, short description, the time, and everything. The firefighter would input the incident number here, and when he clicks on fetch, we would be communicating with the service now to fetch all the other details of the incident like the group name, channel, CI item, short description, time, and all. Okay, and then when the firefighter clicks on predict, we would interact with the machine learning model to provide a predictive resolution, which would be displayed below under the resolution details section. As you can see, the resolution details section has resolution code, resolution, the possible a resolution, and the logs. So the logs during that time, and then we also have we will be having the abdi metrics and all. So this is how a draft version of our UI looks. And as I was telling you, we have even we are even trying to update the ServiceNow incident with the work notes or the predict possible resolution that we have arrived at. So basically, this is how it looks after we update the ServiceNow. So under the work notes, we update the possible resolution. Yeah, and that's all about our application. And I hope our idea would be really useful for multiple teams across HSBC in order to quickly resolve the production incidents that they face on a day-to-day basis. And thank you.